Okay, Mr. Rusi Patel. Let me recap the case as I have understood it. Stock trader Ashwin Shah has a current account with your bank which has been wrongly debited.
Yes, 70 lakh rupees. And this Mr. Shah, he is insisting. No, he is demanding that we pay him back. Otherwise, he will sue the bank.
Now, Mr. Ashwin Shah claims he never issued that check. And the check number on the fake check are exactly the same as on the check that lies unissued in his checkbook. And your bank passed a check worth 70 lakhs with a fake signature. Any details of the person whose account this was credited to?
Yes, yes. It is one Mr. Yogesh Unatkar at GSL Bank, Ville Parle West branch.
Then what is stopping you from nabbing him and collecting the amount?
But the man has withdrawn the entire amount and has fled to the United States of America, you see.
Interesting. Well, Mr. Patel, let me investigate the matter. Let's say we meet back here in 2 hours.
Okay, I will go. I will be back in 2 hours. But very important, you see, speed is of the essence. The police will be brought in. It will be very embarrassing for all of us, you see. Thank you.
I'll do my
very
best,
much,
Mr. Patel.
I will come back in 2 hours. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Patel. Yes, Danny D'Souza here. I am sorry to disturb you, but I would require Ashwin Shah's checkbook and his entire year's bank statement. Yes. And also his original documents with which he opened the bank account. With you, yes, with you. That's right. And yes, one more thing. Could you request GSL Bank to send me the same documents as well? Thank you. As soon as you can to my office, please. Thank you. And yes, Mr. Patel, would you also drop into my office as soon as you're free? Okay, I'll see you soon. Good afternoon, Mr. Patel.
Good afternoon. Any luck?
Sit. Some interesting news and some yet to arrive. According to GSL Bank, Yogesh Unatkar withdrew the entire amount and closed his account on the 25th of last month, the very night that he flew to the United States. Now, I checked with all the airlines that were flying to the US that night. Yogesh Unatkar was booked on one of them, but he never boarded the flight.
Never boarded it? That means Mr. Yogesh Unatkar is very much here.
Or he flew to some other country.
Never thought of that.
Now my staff is checking all the documents and they are being thoroughly checked. The report will come to my table in some time. I'm a little hungry. Let's have a quick lunch.
Lunch?
Mr. Patel, let's go.
Okay. I tell you, again and again, food. Some people only think of food, nothing else.
The final report has arrived.
Wonderful. That is very good news. Please tell me.
Mr. Patel, 3 months ago, Ashwin Shah withdraws rupees 5 lakhs in cash from his current account. On the same day, Yogesh Unadkar opens an account with GSL Bank by depositing 5 lakhs in cash. Now, 4 similar cash withdrawals of various amounts from Ashwin Shah's account in the past 3 months. Same amounts on the same dates deposited in Yogesh Unadkar's account. Did Ashwin Shah any time complain to your bank about these withdrawals?
No, he never complained. If he had complained, he would have raised the roof. He's a very shrewd man,
I see. Our signature analyst report says that the signature on Ashwin Shah's application form and on the check that you honored are exactly the same.
Complete match? Matlab 100% complete match.
Mr. Patel, does your bank scan checks before honoring them? I mean to check whether they are original or forged.
Yes, of course we do. That is why we have scanners in the bank, eh? What is so funny, you see, having scanners?
No, I was laughing because the check that your bank passed was the original one.
The original one? The exact same to same original one? What are you saying? How can that be?
Let's have some coffee.
Again? Okay, but I'll have some black coffee this time.
Of course. An original check from Ashwin Shah's checkbook with an authentic signature was presented to your bank. Now, your analysts and scanners did not make any mistake in authenticating that check.
But this check with the same numbers lies in Ashwin Shah's checkbook. I have seen.
That, Mr. Patel, is the fake one. Cleverly pasted inside.
You mean someone?
Not someone. Ashwin Shah himself. 3.5 months ago, Ashwin made a payment of rupees 65 lakhs to a stockbroking firm towards the losses that he made. Now Ashwin Shah wants to recover his loss, so he makes a plan. He opens an account with GSL Bank in the name of Yogesh Unadkar with a false address and fake documents.
What?
Both the bank's applications have the same photograph of the applicant, but the names appear differently. One person, two identities. Ashwin Shah created Yogesh Unadkar's identity, transferred funds to the account, withdrew them completely on the pretext of migrating to the States. He maintained Unadkar's account with big entries so the bank would never suspect him. He even booked a ticket to the USA to mislead everyone.
I am stunned. But now what?
Call the cops. Case solved. Game over.
Yes, you're right. Game is over. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I must go. Lots of work to finish. I will send you your fees as soon as I can.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you. Must go now. Immediately. Yes, I have to go.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them
Mr. Patel, is everything all right?
for me and you,
Mm-hmm.
and I think to myself,
Oh, so your producer client, Mr. Khanna, wants to make a film on our case.
what a wonderful world.
Not a bad idea. Yes, send him over. I will give him all the details. Right.
I see skies of blue.
Go watch the fraud film. He opens an account with GSL in the name of Yogesh.
Complete match. मतलब 100% complete match. मतलब 1000% somebody said cut.
Now the bank didn't doubt it because he made big.
I will remember to send you your fees as soon as possible. I'm going now if someone allows me to get.